Alright, in this video we're going to generate Koala AI, and we have got the Arvow AI. So as you can see, I have made many videos on Arvow and we're gonna test it out. So let's just go here and click on start for free, and here we have got some instructions going on right here, which is model. Select the model, so let it be ChatGPT 5 mini, and the blog post article type is just gonna be blog post. Target keyword is gonna be AI, SEO writer, and SEO optimization default manual AI power. So let me just put it on default. External link, non-article, and okay, we have got everything right here. Include keyword takeaways, improve readability, use outline, editor, data source, web, it's connected. Click on create article and let's just wait. So in the meantime, let me open up. Alright, we have got the article, so let me just take it and paste it in. Both. Click on. Alright, we have got the 76% AI influence. So let's just go and take one of the articles right here. Add keyword. And once I add keyword, it goes into the Arvow. So let me just click on generate article. So let's just wait for it to generate the article. Alright, we have finally produced the article. So let's just click on view article, and this is the article which the Arvow AI has written for us. So let me just go here, and so let me just take one of the snippet right here. So I'm gonna do, so let's just take this and go to and paste it right here. Click on detect AI, and now that you can see the 0% of the text is likely AI. So we have got the text from Koala to be 60 or 70% AI influence, and Arvow is just a 0%. So I consider Arvow as a win in this challenge.